Begins today with cutting out jail time for marijuana offenses. Richmond County Solicitor changing the way her office will prosecute misdemeanor marijuana cases. She believes there needs to be clarification when it comes to testing for pot, because in some cases hemp oil can cause a positive drug test. There's News Channel 6's Ashley Flette picking up the story live in our newsroom. Ashley?
Brad, Governor Brian Kemp signed the Georgia Hemp Farming Act just a few months ago. This legalizes the act of growing the hemp plant. Here's a look at the difference between hemp and illegal marijuana. Hemp is specifically bred for its fibers and low levels of THC, which is the mood-altering resin in marijuana plant. Illegal marijuana is bred specifically for its high resin levels, which contains high levels of CBD. So now prosecutors have a problem not knowing which is in somebody's system when they take a drug test. Richmond County State Court Solicitor Mika Loggins will dismiss all open misdemeanor marijuana cases dating back to the month of May, until further testing can determine how much of the chemical component is in a person's system. Hemp carries less than 1% THC oil, while illegal marijuana ranges anywhere from 5 to 20% of THC. The issue? Current testing methods only test the presence of THC, not the amount.
There's no testing available to do that. It poses a problem for prosecutors to actually prosecute possession of marijuana cases.
She says her office has 45 open cases and she stands firm in her decision not to follow through. In the end, allowing her to focus on things she feels better benefits the city.
That's helping me and my office to divert resources to other cases that I feel that deserve the attention, the resources such as the DUIs, the domestic violence cases, other battery cases.
The current city ordinance says a person who is charged with marijuana can get up to 60 days in jail or a fine up to $1,000. But because of the current testing issues, Georgia State Senator Harold Jones is pushing to change the ordinance on the city level.
What we proposed was that the confinement aspect of it would actually be no confinement for persons who are over 21 or 21 or above, and then for the first two offenses it would be a fine of $150.
But it differs for those who are under 21.
Now those under 21 would actually still face potentially 30 days in confinement, and then I think the fine is going to be capped at $500.
These changes are to ensure no one gets the easy way out.
If you had no confinement at all for somebody under 21 and a fine of like $150, it would actually be less penalty for somebody who has alcohol under 21. So we're trying to make it a little bit more equal.
Loggins tells me that GBI is set to have a better testing method next month. She says if the new test offers stronger results, the prosecutions will resume. Last week, Augusta Commission Committee members gave the okay to lower the fines for those caught with less than an ounce of marijuana. Jenny?